How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat's device ban. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that we'll actually do is update our Snapchat. So for that, head over to your App Store, head over to the search bar on the bottom right, and then search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, check if there is an update available like this. If there is an update button instead of an open button, tap on update to update the app. Doing that, your bugs or any other issues which might have caused the ban will get fixed. Now the other thing that we'll do is we'll head over to our settings and we'll head over to our general, and on general head over to your bottom section here, and there you'll see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset and reset your network settings. Sometimes your network can be the reason why your Snapchat is not working as well. Now the last thing that we'll actually do is we'll head over to our settings and general again, and after you're on general, head over to iPhone storage. Now on your iPhone storage, what you'll need to do is you'll need to locate your Snapchat. It's right here. Open up your Snapchat and then offload the app. Tap on offload, and after you completely offload the app, reinstall it back again. And yeah, that's all the fixes, guys. Now if all of this does not fix your issue, if there is a timer for the ban, you can just wait it out as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.